Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to be hot smoking some beautiful duck breasts. Okay, so I've got these lovely duck breasts here, and you don't need to do much to them to hot smoke. I'm just going to score the skin slightly, just so some of that fat starts to render out. I'm going to go cross like this. There we go, and that is it. Those are prepped, ready for hot smoking now. You don't need to do anything more. So not much prep is needed for these, just a little bit of sea salt. This is coarse sea salt with some wild garlic in. And I'm just gonna pat that on both sides. There we go. That is ready to go in the smoker. So set up your kettle barbecue or smoker for about 100 degrees C. That's going to be perfect for these. So I smoked the duck until it was about 60 degrees C, and then crisped it up in a pan on here on the Thuros. Just a nice hot heat just to crisp it up, and you've got this lovely crispy skin. I'm going to dive in and have a taste. It looks really juicy and tender and perfectly cooked for me. There's a nice smoke ring around the outside. Oh boy, that is sensational. Juicy, smoky, lovely crisp skin. That's one of my favourite smoked things, is smoked duck breasts. Love it. If you've enjoyed my video and want to give this a try, make sure to leave a comment. There's a comment box down there. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the video. It's all appreciated. And if you really like what I do, there's a subscribe box down there. Please subscribe to my channel. It's super appreciated. Take care. Cheers.